Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. This avoids carrier locks later. Once done, pick a plan that matches countries and data needs, regional for multiple nearby nations or global for broader travel. Make sure to have payment details, your passport info if required, and the QR or activation code saved. Now open settings to the cellular or mobile plan screen so you're ready to add the new eSIM. Don't skip having the code and payment ready. You scan the QR or paste the activation code, then follow on-screen prompts. This is where it provisions on your device. Once installed, name the profile, label it with country or provider, and set whether it's primary for data or a backup. Make sure to select the correct line for data roaming and enable it, otherwise you'll stay offline. If connections fail, enter the carrier APN info manually in settings, and make a quick soft reboot to finalize registration before you leave. You now manage the eSIM while traveling, monitor data use and set alerts so you don't hit surprise limits. If needed, switch which SIM handles data in settings. When moving countries, make sure the active eSIM's roaming is allowed and that the correct network appears. If not, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to force a network refresh. If the plan won't register, rescan the QR, re-enter the code, or contact the seller with a ME and eSIM ID. That usually resolves provisioning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.